The Financial Action Task Force will convene in Berlin, Germany this week from June 14 to 17, 2022, to decide whether Pakistan will be removed from the grey list or retain its current position for another few months. The Pakistani government is optimistic and anticipates a favorable conclusion from the plenary conference. We believe we have made significant progress, which has been recognized by a number of members. The final decision, however, will be made at a summit at which a number of countries will comment on our progress. As a result, let's hope for the best, a top Pakistani official told the publication. According to FATF's announcement, the delegates representing 206 members of the global network and observer organizations will take part in the last plenary. The German government will host this hybrid event in Berlin, with a significant number of participants taking part in person.